Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a tourist visa to Canada, or you can also say a visitor visa using IRCC portal on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this IRCC portal on my mobile device, which is an Android device. I'm gonna tap and put in my email address and password and tap on sign in. So if you don't have an account, you need to tap on sign up and create an account. Okay, so I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I have logged in. You need to understand and accept terms condition. Okay, now on the main page itself you have applied for a visitor visa or a transit visa. Okay, I'm gonna do. Now it is telling you that first you need to make eligible. Okay, and you need to have your passport or other travel documents ready, credit card to pay. Okay, and you have 60 days once you begin your application. So tap on start application. Now if you are applying as a family or group, then you have to select yes to this answer, but if you are applying individually, no is enough temporarily. So I go for second, visitor visa or super visa. I select to visit Canada as a tourist. Okay, what will you do in Canada? Include dates. So I put something like this because I'm just making a sample, but you provide full details and include dates too. When will you enter Canada? When will you leave Canada? So do it as per your own case. Whatever you see here is sample. You see a unique client identifier. So if you have ever applied before, you can find this in all your communication that you have received from IRCC. So you can put this, and anyway they are gonna find anyways. There's no point in hiding it. So once you are three, if you have ever applied before, put UCI and tap on save and continue. If this is your first time applying to Canada, forget about it. Now it is telling you what are the documents you need. Okay, and details. So do you have a representative? I select no. I assume you are doing on your own. Your surname, given name, I put date of birth. Okay, do it as per your own case. Gender. What travel document you are traveling with? I select passport. I select regular because most of the people will have regular passport. Select the country code that matches one of your passport. Nationality. Passport or travel document number. So I put sample details, date of expiry. Are you a green card holder? I select no. Have you held a Canadian visitor visa in past 10 years? I select no. Do you hold a valid US non-immigrant visa? I select no. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select yes. Country or territory where you were born. City or town where you were born. I put a sample. Are you citizen of more than one country? I select no because India does not allow dual nationality. And which country you are citizen of? And I'm a citizen this country since birth. Okay. Do you have valid national identity document? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide. Have you used another name in the past? I select no, but again if you have, definitely country address. What's your residential address? First it's asking for the country. I'm gonna put sample, but you provide the correct information. Okay, you have to put your address, Mailing address same as residential address, yeah. List your current country or territory residence, then add all current country or territory residence where you have lived for the past 5 years for more than 6 months. Okay, so let's say this guy has never been out of India, so I'm just gonna include India. Okay, so I put date of birth here, like I assume he's living there since birth, and I currently live here. I click save, and I go to next. Biometrics. In past 10 years have provided a biometric fingerprint. I select no because I assume this is his first application. How much money you have to stay in Canada? I select 50,000. Is someone else giving you money for your stay? I select no. Education, work and other activities. Have you studied at post-secondary level? Yes. Details. So it was for, let's say you went to college at 18 and passed out at 2021. Name of the college. So I put the education institution name. From to. You need level of education, field of study, address, street address, city, town, say. Did you serve in any military, militia, civil defense unit, security organization, police? I select no. Give details of all your employment activities since the age of 18. Okay, so make sure you do not leave any gap. Okay, but again, the activities that you have included in education and other police, military service, if applicable, that you don't have to include. So we assume this guy passed out in 2021, so let's say he's doing he's working there, so business, finance, administration, government, management, natural, trade, transport, equipment. I select business, finance, administration. Job title, what should I do? Yeah, company. I put sample company employer and main duties, but yeah, describe properly, and everything whatever you enter you have to check 2 times. So I also put some at sample address, but anyway, you know about your employer, right? So click on next. Oh, since the age of 18. Okay, yeah, I have not covered that. Okay, fine, no worries, I'm gonna do that because I have started his education 2018 May, but he was born in 2018 Jan, right? So from Jan to April they need some details, so I'm gonna put that. In Jan to 18 April, 80 unemployed. Then your address. Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, so I was successfully able to do that. During the past 5 years, have you traveled to a country other than the one? I select no. Travel history. Have you ever stayed in Canada beyond the validity of a status attended school? Have you ever been refused a visa, permit, denied entry? I select no. Have you ever committed any crime in any kind of territory? I select no. Have you ever been arrested for any criminal offense in any kind of territory? No. Been charged for any criminal offenses? Have you ever been convicted of any criminal offenses? No. I mean, go through all the questions nicely, understand, and then answer appropriately. Don't see what I am doing. Have you had a medical exam performed by an IRCC or a panel physician within past 12 months? I select no. In last 2 years, where you diagnosed tuberculosis? No. 5 years have a person with tuberculosis? No. You're receiving dialysis treatment? I said no. Have you ever drug addiction, mental health, syphilis, marital status? I select single. Any children? I select no for children. Parent information. Okay, so I tap. So asking for the surname given. So I put some Samuel. Let's say his father name is Peter Smith. In relationship, I selected this date of birth of his father. So he was born in 2020. Let's say his dad was born in 1978 or 75. Yeah. Country or territory. Present occupation. Does the parent have same address? I select yes. Will you come to Canada? Come with you to Canada? I select no. Save. So now he is going to add details of his mother. Okay. Let's say he has a mother whose name is Stacy Smith, and she was born in 1976. Okay. So the same way, I'm gonna select 7. Okay, fine. Date of birth. India. Present occupation. Let's say hope. I selected same address. Come to Canada. I select no. Time to go for the next question. Language. Native language. Can you come to English or French? I select English. Which language do you want us to contact you? I select English. Put your email address nicely and correctly. I'm gonna put some sample. Okay. Phone number. I select cellular. I select others. For India, dial code is 9. Come on, save. These are sample, guys. Now summary. Okay, you can expand all or you can expand individual and collapse in individual and see what are the answers you have given to each and every question. In case of any edit you need, just tap on the edit button and change it and verify everything at least 2 times at this stage also. And once you are sure that everything is correct, you can go to next, where you have to upload your documents. So they're asking for passport, proof of funds, under optional consent, personal information, employer letter, and any other document that you want to upload. Once you are at least through the mandatory document section, 7 continue will get enabled, where you can go to the next section and you're gonna digitally sign the application and pay the fee, and from there the application will proceed. So that is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.